customization where we can use, again, the same engine for each robot and create a new robotic character very quickly. But isn't that very cool right there?
Yes, they do wear makeup. One of the biggest